Hey, investing champs! Get ready to embark on an epic adventure into the thrilling world of the stock market. Today, we're revving up our engines to discover the ultimate guide on how to kickstart your investing journey like a pro. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because you won't want to miss any of our high-octane investment content coming your way. Before we zoom ahead, let's fuel up with a quick disclaimer. I'm not a certified financial advisor, but I've got a treasure trove of knowledge to share with you. Always do your research and consult with experts before making any investment decisions. All right, let's put the pedal to the metal and dive into these turbocharged steps to stock market success. Step 1. Buckle up and learn, strap on your investing seatbelt and brace yourself for the knowledge ride of a lifetime. We're kicking things off with a pit stop at investing. From stocks to bonds, ETFs to mutual funds, we're demystifying it all so you can conquer the market like a pro. Step 2. Rev up your financial goals. You're not here to idle around. You've got big dreams to achieve. Slam the gas pedal on your financial goals and map out your route to success. Whether it's buying your dream home, retiring early, or cruising down the road to financial freedom, set your GPS and let's hit the road. Step 3. Tune your risk tolerance. Investing isn't a leisurely stroll. It's a roller coaster ride with ups and downs. Time to assess your risk tolerance and see if you're up for a high-octane adventure or prefer to keep it smooth and steady. Buckle up because risk is part of the ride, but we'll show you how to navigate those hairpin turns. Step 4. Shift gears with budgeting. Investing is a journey, and a smooth ride requires a solid budgeting foundation. Let's shift gears and turbocharge your financial planning so you can allocate funds for investing without running on empty. Step 5. Pit stop at the right brokerage. Ready to hit the investing racetrack? Choose the perfect pit stop with a brokerage that suits your style. Low fees, user-friendly interface, and a powerful engine to execute your trades. This is where the rubber meets the road. Step 6. Navigate the diversification circuit. We're entering the diversification circuit, the secret weapon to manage risk and increase your chances of success. Like a skilled race car driver, we'll show you how to spread your investments across different sectors and companies for a smooth ride. Step 7. Stay in the race for the long haul. We're nearing the finish line, but the race isn't over yet. Stay in the driver's seat for the long haul. Keep up with market updates, stay informed, and avoid those temptation pit stops. Patience and perseverance are your keys to victory. There you have it, Investing Pros, your turbocharged guide to conquering the stock market like a boss. I hope these high-energy steps have you pumped up and ready to accelerate your investment journey to new heights. Now, drop a comment below and let me know which investment strategy revs your engine. And if you want more adrenaline-pumping investment content, hit that like button and subscribe to our speed-loving community. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep investing like a champ and remember, the road to wealth starts now.